There are drones, and then there are these drones machines that seem to defy physics, outmaneuver the best pilots, and leave even experts scratching their heads. Some say they're secret government projects. Others, they believe these flying objects aren't even human-made. Tonight, we're diving deep into the strangest drone videos ever captured, footage so bizarre, so advanced, that it will make you question what's really flying in our skies. This is Hidden Docs, and you're about to see the impossible flight. First, let's talk about what makes a drone. Well, a drone. Most commercial drones are bound by physics, max speeds, limited battery life, and predictable flight patterns. But in 2019, a video surfaced from a military training ground that left experts stunned. A high-speed object was captured moving at over 13,000 miles per hour without breaking the sound barrier. No sonic boom, no visible propulsion, just pure impossible motion. Drones can't do that, right? The Pentagon quietly studied the footage, but to this day, there's no official explanation. Some claim it was an experimental hypersonic drone, while others say it wasn't even human technology. Drones that think for themselves. Imagine a drone so advanced, it doesn't need a pilot. It learns as it flies. It anticipates movements before they happen. In 2021, engineers at MIT developed an AI-controlled drone that could navigate dense forests at insane speeds, dodging trees with near-perfect accuracy. But here's where it gets weird. During one test flight, the drone suddenly stopped midair, as if it saw something the cameras couldn't. Then, without warning, it sped off in the opposite direction. The researchers didn't program it to do that. Did the drone sense something, or was it being controlled by something else? The undetectable drones. Now, let's talk about the drones that don't want to be seen. Modern stealth technology allows aircraft to avoid radar detection, but some drones go beyond that. They don't just hide from radar, they seem to vanish. In 2022, a security camera in Arizona captured a drone hovering above a restricted facility, and then just as guards approached, it blinked out of existence. Infrared, nothing. Night vision, nothing. It was there 1 second, gone the next. Governments have been working on light-bending cloaking tech, but this was something else. Are these even drones? Now, here's the million-dollar question. Are these even drones at all? The U.S. Navy has released multiple videos of unidentified aerial phenomena UAPs that outperform the best military drones by miles. We're talking instant acceleration, no visible wings or rotors. Seamless movement through air and water, the strangest part. Some of these objects have been observed for decades, long before drone technology even existed. So, if they're not drones, what are they? What are we really seeing?
So, what do you think? Are we witnessing top-secret drone technology that's decades ahead of what we know? High-powered machines that think for themselves? Or are we looking at something completely different, something beyond human tech? One thing's for sure, the skies are full of mysteries. And if these drones are any clue, the future of flight is going to be terrifyingly advanced. What do you believe? If you found this documentary interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Docs. There's a whole world of hidden mysteries out there, and we're just getting started.